In my last video, I discussed the role that Citizens Property Insurance Corporation plays in the Florida insurance market. In this video, I'm going to discuss the role that inflation plays in setting insurance premiums, as well as two numbers or values, if you will, that can determine the quality and the availability of insurance policies that are available to consumers. But before that, please check out this brief disclaimer video. This is Ryan Ramsaran, an attorney in Palm Beach County, Florida. Welcome to my channel. The purpose of this channel is to provide general information about the Florida real estate market. It is not designed to provide specific information tailored to any individual real estate transaction. If you need this type of information, please consult with your own attorney, real estate agent, property insurance agent, settlement agent, or any other service provider that you choose to work with for your particular situation. The viewing of content on this channel does not create an attorney-client relationship between the viewer and the law office of Ryan A. Ramsaran, PA. Although every effort is made to provide accurate content on this channel, because the Florida real estate market is so dynamic, there's no guarantee that the information will be accurate when you view it or will remain accurate in the future. The law office of Ryan A. Ramsaran is a title agent with Attorneys Title Fund Services, LLC, and issues title insurance policies underwritten by Old Republic National Title Insurance Company. The firm also represents companies and individuals in the acquisition, sale, and development of commercial property, such as hotels, warehouses, and industrial property. If you believe my firm might be a good fit to represent you in real estate matters, please see the firm contact information under Details in the About tab of this channel. In addition to real estate matters, my firm also accepts personal injury cases, as well as cases related to the violation of individual civil rights. Please note that these cases will be referred to another law firm. However, under no circumstances will the client be responsible for paying fees or costs in addition to what they would be paying if they only hired one law firm. Again, thanks for viewing content on this channel, and let's get back to the content we were looking at before. Thank you. Welcome back. What some people might not realize is that insurance companies have a responsibility under Florida law to set home insurance premiums based on the replacement cost required to repair or replace a property that suffers a loss or is damaged in some way. What this means then is that if a consumer or homeowner suffers a loss to their home, and the prices of materials and costs to repair or replace that home has increased due to inflationary pressures, insurance companies have to take into account when setting their insurance premiums the rise in cost of those services and materials to determine the premium to charge to homeowners. According to a newsletter published by Citizens in December of 2021, Citizens, like other insurers, are required to take into consideration inflation when setting insurance premiums and determining replacement costs for its policies. And according to that newsletter, which I'm paraphrasing, because of the issues caused by COVID-19, that is, the increase to materials caused by shortages, Citizens policyholders were expected to have to endure an increase of above 11% in their renewal premiums. What some homeowners might not realize, though, is that the Florida legislature has set a replacement cap for policies serviced by Citizens for certain counties in the state of Florida. For Miami-Dade and Monroe counties, that cap is less than $1 million. And for all other counties in the state, that cap is less than $700,000. What this means then is that if Citizens determines that the replacement cost for a dwelling in Miami-Dade or Monroe counties is at or above $1 million, or Citizens determines that the replacement cost for a dwelling in any other county in the state exceeds or is at $700,000, that those homeowners will be ineligible for coverage through Citizens and will receive notices of non-renewal. As a consequence of some Citizens policyholders becoming ineligible for Citizens coverage because of elevated replacement costs, they would now need to seek coverage through the private insurance market. But as we saw in my last video, several private insurance companies have now gone insolvent, and as a consequence, there are less players in the private insurance market. Faced with limited options, some homeowners may need to try to access coverage through a surplus lines insurer. But per FIGA, which is the Florida Insurance Guarantee Association, surplus lines insurers are not covered by FIGA if they become insolvent. If this information was of some value to you, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time, be safe out there.